In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download older version of any application, therefore without wasting any of your time. Let's jump to the video. Sometimes when a latest update of an application is rolled out, then some users face some problems, and the easiest solution to those problems is to download the older version of that app. So to download the older version of an application, you need to open your internet browser and go to this website called APK Pure. Click on search. Now click on this first link, then click on the search option and enter the name of the application of which you want to download the previous version. I want to download an older version of Instagram, so I'll search for Instagram. Click on the application's logo and scroll down. And here you will see the option older version of Instagram. And from here you can easily download the older version of any application. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.